Hello guys, today we're going to be talking about water treatment process that can be found in Malaysia, so let's get right into it. In this assignment, our group have chosen Sungai Petani Kedah as our research location for the water treatment process. But firstly, we're going to introduce the primary raw water sources that can be found in Kedah. Sungai Petani relies on Sungai Muda as their critical source of raw primary water. This river provides clean water to consumers for everyday use. Sungai Muda is the longest river in Kedah that is located between the border of Kedah and Pulau Pinang. As both of these states share the same river, 84% of water is abstracted to Pulau Pinang and up to 96% of water is used in Kedah. Also, two other local water sources that can be found in Kedah, such as Beris Dam. It is function as regulator for the Sungai Muda basin and also regulating downstream flows for irrigation. It also acts as backup during dry season. The storage capacity is roughly within 122.4 million cubic meters. Beris Dam provides water to support the 96,000 hectares of paddy fields. It also supports the renewable energy project, which makes it able to incorporate the hydropower generation from the water release. This project makes it possible to supply part of the electricity in state of Kedah to meet the steady increase of power demand.
So now I'm going to share with you what are the water treatment processes that we need to do to remove contaminants from wastewater before returning it to ecosystems. First, we need to search for source of water from the lake or the river. Then we need to do some screening. It's a process of removing the floating materials such as leaves and wood pieces from the water. Next is aerations. It's a process of mixing water with air. It is because we need to remove gases that cause bad taste, odors, and to remove salt. Other than that, filtration were made to remove bacteria, taste, odor, and suspended particles by using filter beds. Moreover, coagulation is a process that needs to produce positive charges by using chemical like alum to neutralize the negative charges, so that the particles can stick together, then forming larger particles to remove the impurities much more easier. After that, we need to do sedimentations. It's a process of removing suspended impurities that leave the water undisturbed for 2 to 6 hours. Then all particles will be removed after it settles down at the bottom due to force of gravity. Lastly, we need to disinfect the water to destroy the harmful bacteria. We're using the methods of boiling, ultraviolet radiations, and chlorinations. There's also issues and challenges in Kedah. One of it is water quality issues. Water quality issues is declining due to agricultural runoff and untreated sewage discharge into river basins. The second one is climate change and weather patterns. This state is experiencing a high weather stress driven by extended hot, dry conditions and El Nino, impacting both agricultural and domestic sectors. We have energy efficiency and renewable energy that will use solar power treatment plants and high efficiency technologies to minimize carbon footprints such as electricity and gas.
SADA is the governing authorities company for the state of Kedah. It operates as a corporate company to emphasize quality of treated company for consumer in the state of Kedah that meets the standards of the Ministry of Health Malaysia. The governance is critical to ensure the sustainable and efficient use of water resources, address water-related challenges. It plays a crucial role in defining the policies, regulation, and rules governing water resource allocation distribution. It also plays a key role in promoting the efficient use of water resources, encouraging the adoption of sustainable practices in the water sector, and promoting the integration of water-related policies, such as water scarcity, water quality, and access to water.